We're about to learn how to identify and diagram compound predicate adjectives. My name's Nathan Teacher, and before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification button for more grammar videos as and when I release them. Welcome to the next episode/video/lesson, and we're going to do compound predicate adjectives, which sounds, you'll have to admit, it sounds really cool. All the cool kids are diagramming compound predicate adjectives. It's true. That's a lot of syllables, and it sounds very technical, and it is, frankly. And just think of this. What percentage of the world knows what a compound predicate adjective is? I suggest that you, because you know, or will know very soon, are part of the 1%. Think about that. Or the 0.1%. So let's go ahead. Adjectives. Revision. Adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is, it's a word, it's a kind of word which modifies, yes, adjectives modify nouns. Can you remember the two types of verbs? According to me, there's the equals verb, or the, yes, everybody else calls it the linking verb, which can be identified by replacing the verb with an equal sign, and if it doesn't really change, then it is an equals verb. And secondly, the action verb. That's right, the action verb. How do we identify action verbs? Well, if we replace the verb with an equal sign and it completely destroys the meaning of the sentence, or in fact makes just nonsense of the sentence, then it is, in fact, an action verb. Great. Predicate adjectives. What is a predicate adjective? A predicate adjective, and it's important to know the definitions, a predicate adjective appears in the predicate, right, and follows a linking verb. So you can only have a predicate adjective in a sentence with a linking verb in it. That's true. Okay. Predicate adjectives. Let's have a look at some examples. And remember, we're doing compound predicate adjectives, which is even more complicated. Let's have a look. My sister is intelligent and pretty. Who is my sister? My sister is the subject. Is the classic linking verb, but if we just go through the exercise, we will find that that really doesn't change the meaning very much, if at all. So my sister is. Is a linking verb, so we can't have a direct object. What follows is must be a predicate something, a predicate nominative, noun, or a predicate adjective. And both predicate nominatives and predicate adjectives are subject complements. We'll see how that works out. A subject complement renames, in the case of a noun, nominative, or describes or modifies the subject. Let's have a look. Sister is intelligent, pretty. Okay. We're going to start off with the baseline. As you can see, we're going to have to split the baseline. Let's start off with the subject. Subject. Predicate line. There's our subject. Sister. Modifier. Which sister? My sister. My sister is what? And this is the important part. What follows are subject complements. So we draw a line that faces back towards the subject, which is being modified. Okay, let's extend the baseline. Now, predicate adjectives can sit on the baseline. That is fine because they're predicate adjectives. They're special. What do we have? We have the subject, we have the predicates, we have a verb or a linking verb. We have two predicate adjectives. Now, how are these two predicate adjectives linked? Answer, they're linked with the conjunction and. So let's draw in that conjunction and. It's a bit messy. I hope you get the idea. Please don't be too angry with me. And my sister is intelligent and pretty. And both my sisters are intelligent and pretty. Very good. Let's have a look at one more or two more. Seoul is vast and populous. Now, again, we have that linking verb. We can replace is with equals, and we will retain the meaning of the sentence. What is? Seoul is. Seoul is our subject. The rest is the predicate. Vast. Vast is an adjective which follows a linking verb and modifies soul, the subject, and so is populous. So what we have here are two predicate adjectives. Fantastic. Joined by something, joined by a conjunction. Let's do this. Baseline, soul, predicate line. We have this line pointing back towards the subject because it follows a linking verb. And it indicate that what follows renames, in the case of a noun, or modifies in some way the preceding subject. Soul is vast. How are these two words related? Answer by the conjunction and. That is amazing, my friends. This is reminding me of the time I applied for my visa and went to the Korean embassy in London for some reason. Anyway, soul is vast and populous. Anything missing? No, that's fine. What do we have here? Answer, subject, linking verb is one predicate adjective, another predicate adjective. In fact, we have a compound predicate adjective. Well done. One more. Another favorite city, Geneva. Geneva is cultured and compact. Okay, again, we have the linking verb is. Replace it with an equal sign. The meaning is retained. Geneva equals cultured and compact. Perfect. Subject. What is? Geneva is. Geneva is our subject. The rest is predicate. Cultured is an adjective, as is compact. Okay, we can tell straight away that both of them are predicate adjectives. They're joined by the conjunction and, making them compound predicate adjectives. This is so fun, isn't it? And don't we all feel very intelligent? Geneva is. Subject is. Predicate line. Can't have a direct object. No direct object line. No. What we have instead is a line that points back to the subject, indicating that what follows are subject complements. Subject complements. Geneva is cultured compact. How are these two words related? They're related by the conjunction and. How do I do that? Geneva is cultured and compact. There we have it. Your turn now. I hope you enjoy diagramming some very fun compound adjectives. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. This video was part of a course that normally costs $29.99 at udemy.com. But click the link below and you get the course for only $9.99, a 66% saving. The course has all the exercises you need to master basic sentence diagramming and sentence grammar. So, click now for lifetime access with a 30-day money-back guarantee.